Let's say you aren't very dumb. You're just somewhat dumb. If you're just somewhat dumb, you're gonna see e squared smaller than 8 and gonna think, well, this is easy to demonstrate. We have already done the dumbest way possible of demonstrating this, but there is a smarter way to demonstrate this. And the smarter way uses a thing that I posted before, which is that besides being the limit of x going to infinity, of the function 1 plus 1 by x, all of that elevated to x, e is also represented by this sum here, which is the sum to the infinity of the inverse of the factorials. And if we use this, we can see that we get this type of expression. So 1 divided by 0 factorial is by definition 1. 1 divided by 1 factorial is also 1. 1 divided by 2 factorial is half. 1 divided by 3 factorial is 1 divided by 1 times 2 times 3, which is this term here, and so on. So this is 4 factorial. If we multiply with this 2 here, and etc., we have further terms. All of them are in this 3 dots here. This reticent continuation. So this is the term 1 divided by 4 factorial. This is the term, this houses the term 1 divided by 5 factorial and beyond. But we can notice that we can compare this with something we know, which is the geometric series, which we can use 1/3 as the thing of the geometric series in which we are based off. But why? Well, 1/4 is smaller than 1/3. So when we multiply 1/3 by 1/4, we have a smaller number than 1/3 times 1/3. And if we do this procedure for every order, we get this geometric series as the sum, and this is strictly smaller than this, because this number is strictly smaller than this number, and 1 divided by 3 times 4 times 5, which is 1 divided by 60, is strictly smaller than 1 divided by 27, and so on and so forth. So the sum of this is simply a PG sum, a geometric progression sum, which is 1 divided by 1 minus 1/3. This is the reason. The reason is 1/3 because to get to 1/3 we have to multiply by 1/3. To get to 1/9 we get to multiply by 1/3 again, and so on and so forth. And we have half this. This fraction is 11/4. So we get oh, pardon me. This fraction is 3/2 actually. So we get 2 plus half of 3/2, which 2 plus 3/4, which is 11/4. So this means that e is smaller than 11/4. So e squared is smaller than 11/4 squared because e is bigger than 1, as this can already tell you strictly. So since it's bigger than 1, its square is gonna be a lot bigger than 1. So this means that if e is bigger than 1 and 11/4 is bigger than 1, if we square both those numbers, their squares maintain this type of relationship. So e squared is smaller than 11 divided by 4 square, which is 121 divided by 16, which is smaller than 128 divided by 16, which is equal 8, because we don't ignore any order when we do the math using the geometric progression. This is the slightly less dumb way.